Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a budget versus actual reports in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now the way you go about this, okay, you just need to come right here and click on reports, okay, and then you should see right here budgets and forecasts, right? So you see this, come here, click on budget versus actual, okay, so you click on that and then you just select the budget you want to use. So here we're prompted to use this one. We'll just use this. Then we'll click on next. That's the budget I had. So we'll click on finish right there. And it will generate a profit and loss budget versus actual. So if you had other, budgets that you had created on the other reports, then you can use those as well. It's really that easy. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.